Good morning students, it's me Sudarshan sir. After a long time we are dealing with GK. Okay. Today till 21st chapter we have already completed. Today we are going to deal with 22nd chapter. Okay. Okay. Only one chapter today we will see, only a small video, so you can go for the next class. Okay. Okay. Science quiz. Today it will be something interesting. Just a quiz. Okay. Dash is used in making weight as it is reasonably dense and does not corrode. Dash is in making weights as it is reasonably dense and does not corrode. The answer is down you refer. Next one answer is brass. BRASS, brass. Okay. Okay. Next. Study of compound. The study of compounds which contain carbon molecules is called. The study of compounds which contain carbon molecules is called. Okay. Okay. What is it? Organic chemistry. If you study about compound which contain carbon molecule, that is that subject will be organic chemistry. Okay. Okay. Subject or major, whatever it is organic chemistry. Okay. Okay. A dash is a strong magnet that acts like a magnet only when electric current passes through it. A dash is a strong magnet that acts like a magnet. It will act like a magnet only when electric current is passed through that. It is electromagnet. Since it acts while current pass, it is electromagnet. Okay. The name is electromagnet. Dash is created by upward push or upthrust of water. If you push the water upward, what will be created? The answer is beyond C. What will be created? Beyond C. Okay, we'll go for next question. Fifth one. Dash are three-dimensional photographic image made with laser lights. Answer is holograms. Holograms are three-dimensional photographic images. Okay. Okay. The loudness of sound is usually measured in dash. Sound is measured in decibels. Okay, what? Decibels. A dash station is a place that converts the energy of moving water into electric energy. Answer is hydroelectric station. It will convert moving water into electrical energy. Okay. Energy is measured in dash. Joule. Answer is joule. Dash was the first person to discover that air is essentially a mixture of two gases. Air is obviously it's a mixture of two gases. Who found it? Anthony Laurent de Lavoisier. Refer that for spelling. Refer down and right. Okay. Okay. Anthony Laurent de Lavoisier. Dash is black soot left behind when candles and other objects burn. Answer is ultraviolet. Dash is radiation whose wavelengths are shorter than visible light. Answer is amorphous carbon. Okay. Okay. Dash are artificial satellites that create a communication channel between source transmitter and receiver at different places of the earth. Communication satellite. Those are artificial satellites, create communication between transmitter and the receiver. Dash uses X-rays to study the structure of atoms in crystal. Dash uses X-ray. Array crystallography. What? Array crystallography. For spellings, kindly refer down. Okay. See, array crystallography. Dash are used to convert pictures, text, and other materials into digital images for computers to comprehend. The answer is image scanners. Image scanners used to convert the picture, text, and other material into digital images. You know scanner, right? In our school and all it will be, right? That is it. Okay. Okay. By keeping inside a picture, you can convert it into a document. Okay. Okay. Okay student, that's all. This class is over. What you want to do is, homework is nothing but just read this. That is the homework. Okay, read this unit. Okay. Okay students, take care. Have a nice day. Bye.